Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Eufy Robovac battery is probably one of the most essential components to keep your trusty robot vacuum running at peak performance, ensuring your floors remain spotless without you lifting a finger. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a maze, especially when you want to ensure compatibility and longevity for your beloved Eufy Robovac. Number 5. FirstPower 3.2Ah Eufy Robovac Replacement Battery. Is your Eufy Robovac running out of power too quickly? It's time for an upgrade. This high-capacity battery is designed to bring your robot vacuum back to life. This battery is specifically designed for a wide range of Eufy Robovac models, including the 11S, 15C, 30C, G series, and more. It also works with select Ecovacs Deebot models. Please ensure you have a 3-prong connector. With an upgraded 3.2Ah capacity, you can enjoy longer cleaning sessions. A single full charge can last between 120 to 180 minutes, giving your robot vacuum ample time to clean your entire home. Our battery charges quickly, reaching 100% in about 3 hours. It features built-in protections against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits, ensuring safe and stable operation. Replacing your old battery is simple and takes just about 2 minutes. Just remove 2 screws, swap the connectors, and your robot vacuum will be ready to clean again. Built with top-grade lithium cells, this battery maintains its performance even after 500 charge cycles, with less than 5% capacity loss. Enjoy reliable cleaning power for years to come. What we like. This battery offers an upgraded 3.2Ah capacity, providing an extended runtime of 120 to 180 minutes. It also charges quickly in about 3 hours and maintains over 95% capacity after 500 cycles. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting replacement that minimizes downtime, this is a great choice. What people say. Installed took less than a minute and put it on the charger and it works like a charm. Product arrived fast and was the most inexpensive option. Made a 5-year-old unit into a brand new machine. This one was easy to install and worked perfectly. This battery was quick and easy to install and now we're getting full clean cycles again. Number 4. AHJ Replacement Battery for Robot Vacuums. Is your robot vacuum running out of power too quickly? This high-capacity replacement battery is designed to bring it back to life, offering extended cleaning sessions for your entire home. This battery is compatible with a wide range of popular robot vacuum models, including Ecovacs Deebot and Eufy Robovac series. Ensure your cleaner is always ready to go. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. It's perfect for tackling larger homes and ensuring a thorough clean every time. Built with premium rechargeable cells, this battery offers up to 500 charge cycles without a memory effect. It's designed for reliable, long-term performance. Your safety is paramount. This battery features multiple built-in protections against common issues like overloads and short circuits, ensuring safe operation with your device. Get your robot vacuum running again in just 2 minutes. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a simple swap of the old battery for the new one. What we like. This option provides a solid 2,600 mAh capacity, offering 90 to 120 minutes of cleaning time. It's built with premium cells designed for up to 500 cycles with no memory effect. If you need a dependable battery that balances performance and longevity for everyday cleaning, consider this one. What people say. The power output is solid, and it brought my vacuum back to life with noticeably improved suction and runtime. On a full charge, I get around 30 to 40 minutes of use, which is on par or better than the original battery. This rechargeable battery was a perfect fit and easy to install with just a screwdriver and a little patience. After swapping it out, my vacuum is back to running like new. It now covers the whole floor on a single charge again and doesn't die halfway through cleaning. Works great and fixed our FUE vacuum with a flashing red error light. Fits exactly the same as original and capacity seems to the same as well. Number 3. 3,200 mAh Replacement Battery for Eufy Robovac 11s. Keep your robot vacuum running longer with this high-capacity 3,200 mAh replacement battery. It's designed to provide extended cleaning sessions, ensuring your floors are spotless. This battery is compatible with a wide range of robot vacuums, including Eufy Robovac models and Ecovacs Deebot series. Please check the product description for a full list of compatible models before purchasing. Crafted with premium rechargeable cells and an adaptive chip, this battery ensures stable current and voltage for optimal performance. It maintains over 95% capacity even after 500 charge cycles. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. This powerful battery allows your machine to clean your entire home without interruption. Designed for a perfect fit, this replacement battery is easy to install. It ensures your robot vacuum can efficiently pick up all dirt, dust, and debris from your floors. Your safety is paramount. This battery includes built-in protection against short circuits, overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent, providing a reliable and secure cleaning experience. What we like. With a 3,200 mAh capacity, this battery ensures your robot runs longer, up to 180 minutes on a single charge. It features an adaptive chip for stable current and voltage, ensuring no negative impact on your robot. If you want to maximize your cleaning sessions and ensure consistent performance, this is the battery for you. What people say. Very easy to replace the battery. The battery arrived quickly and was easy to install. It provides consistent suction power. I've had no issues with it overheating or losing charge prematurely. It's a great replacement battery that has restored my Robovac to full functionality. Took out my toolkit thingy I bought but have never used, and chose a pink screwdriver. Opened up the battery compartment and faced my fears. There they were, the dreaded wires. Turns out, this system was made for people like me. I did not have to deal with the wires, they are attached to a plastic piece that you detach from the robot, and the new battery comes with the same plastic piece that you just attach. Number 2. Cameron Sino 5200 mAh replacement battery for Eufy Robovac L70 Hybrid. Upgrade your Eufy Robovac L70 Hybrid with this powerful 5200 mAh replacement battery. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Before purchasing, please verify that the model number and battery part number match your device. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. This advanced Li-ion battery offers a 14.4 V voltage and a substantial 5200 mAh capacity, providing 74.88 Wh of reliable power. Featuring triple certification, it includes protection against memory effect, overcharge, overdischarge, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits for safe operation. With dimensions of 132.50 by 39.20 by 38.20 mm and a weight of 394.0 g, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your device. We offer professional support and online customer service with fast feedback within 24 hours. We're here to help with any questions you may have. What we like. This battery boasts a massive 5200 mAh capacity, offering significantly extended runtimes. It comes with triple certification for safety and protection against various electrical issues. If you prioritize the absolute longest runtime and robust safety features, and appreciate dedicated customer support, this is the premium option. What people say. This works perfectly with the Eufy L70. The vacuum was just randomly dying mid-clean and not returning to the charging base. This solved that problem. Cleaned the whole house with battery to spare. The battery charges great and is still going strong. It does work, and it works great. I found a YouTube video on how to install, very easy, and it has been working great ever since. Recommended. Number 1. Replacement battery for Eufy Robovac and Ecovacs Deebot. This replacement battery is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of robot vacuum models from Eufy and Ecovacs, ensuring broad compatibility for your cleaning needs. Equipped with a built-in intelligent charging circuit, it offers comprehensive protection against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Built with high-quality cells, this premium rechargeable battery can endure up to 500 charge cycles, retaining 95% of its capacity even after extensive use. Enjoy an ultra-long running time of 120 to 180 minutes on a full charge, providing ample power to clean your entire home in a single session. Installing this replacement is straightforward. Simply remove 2 screws, disconnect the old battery, and connect the new one to get your robot vacuum back to cleaning. What we like. This 3000 mAh battery replacement is built with high-quality cells, capable of lasting through 500 charge cycles while retaining 95% capacity. It offers a long runtime of 120 to 180 minutes. If you're seeking a cost-effective solution that provides excellent longevity and consistent performance for your cleaning needs, this is a solid contender. What people say. Fit perfectly. Definitely works well and is compatible with multiple generations of the robot vacuum. Quick charging and no need to worry about it. Works on older version of Eufy. This replacement battery works perfectly with my Eufy Robovac. Installation was a bit tricky due to the awkward positioning of the battery compartment, but that's more about the design of the vacuum itself. It would have been the same challenge with the original manufacturer's battery. Once installed, it powered up right away and has been running just like new. Great performance, and no issues at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.